Palar Agricultural College is a credited affiliated college under Tamil Nadu Agricultural University.
Palar Agricultural College
Bagged the Green Campus Award in Vellore district. We also offer vast infrastructure and world-class amenities with well-equipped labs, library, classrooms and students club. We offer 75 plus courses in a degree and guaranteed placements in national and international firms. We also offer hands-on knowledge in mushroom cultivation, beekeeping, azolla cultivation, vermicomposting and commercial sales with fair profit margin. Recreational facilities such as residences for both male and female students, and with a landscape of 120 acres, it has its own style of culturals and festivals and a large space for indoor and outdoor games. What are you still waiting for? Come and join Palar Agricultural College